3:30.
Okay, let me make sure this is going. Okay. Okay, so today what we're going to be doing, eyes at me please, knees towards me please, everyone. Knees towards me. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is that we are going to be learning about color, but the scientific process of color, because to be able to really understand our art, we need to know where our color comes from. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at color. We're going to talk about the science of color, as well as looking at color through a prism.
What is that?
Whoa.
Have you ever seen this before?
Yes.
They're pretty cool, prisms.
You see rainbows through it.
Okay, and with this exercise,
You see rainbows through it.
you're going to be looking at electromagnetic spectrum, and you're also going to be identifying light waves. And I'm going to hand out a piece of paper so you can identify the light waves. Okay, and also knowledge of how reflection works. Okay, how we reflect. Okay, now, what is color and how do we interpret it? That is an interesting question, isn't it? And so that's one of the questions we're going to be answering. Objective for this lesson is you're going to relate the wavelength of visible light and its color. We're going to actually see it outside with the prism. And we're going to see it in the prism, explain how the colors are broken up. And also we're going to talk about the primary and secondary colors of light. And pigment is really color, okay? All right, let's get started. All right.
One open question.
Do you think color can be subjective? Now, some of you might have a question, what does subjective mean? Okay,
What does it mean?
Okay.
Subjective means subjective.
okay, so answer that question on your Chromebook, please. Subjective means personal feelings and opinions. So, do you think color, is it opinion? Can it be subjective, or is it there just flat? This is color. This is what red is. This is what blue is. This is what orange is. Is it really straightforward, or is it opinion of what color is? Maybe some people might think that these lines are gray. Maybe some people will think these are green or gold. Okay, so type that in that space right there. You think it's on? So write a complete sentence. Make sure your first letter of your sentence starts with a capital
It
letter.
died.
Do you think it is a matter of an opinion?
Iisip ko nga, marketing on this side, so I'll
Okay. Do you think it's a matter of opinion? Write a complete sentence, please,
Tori didn't catch
with
it
a capital letter. Or do you think it's
Your face is on it.
subjective?
See, I got my capital.
Good job. Very good
I want
sentence.
the teacher to know me.
I don't know. Everyone has to figure it out.
No, I don't want to give the camera.
Yep, they're on.
Can you go and,
She's trying to chill out.
And she said, oh, I think
Daisy, give me a piece of paper over there. In that little printed thing. Just open the drawer.
I know this is his username for the one in the classroom.
oh, that's the password right there.
You do it all.
Username and that's the password.
Aspire.
Yeah, just go into Canvas. And that is
You can buy yourself a lollipop with the G on it.
Oh, it's the beginning of his email.
Con Daisy.
Is it just get in?
Into his
I can buy one for
Can't even get in.
Could
We
buy
enter his name, we
1,000.
won't even go anywhere, it says, it's, that's not his.
And then be happy one. La, 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 la.
So we're
All
going
up to,
that much stuff.
yeah. Okay, how many people are done? If you need more time, thumbs down. If you finish, thumbs up. Thumbs up if you're finished. You need more time? Okay. All right. Do you think it's a matter of, is it subjective, your own opinion?
I go?
I said bills.
Okay, thumbs up if you're finished. Thumbs down if you need more
Hey,
time.
finish.
Okay. Make sure your first letter of your sentence starts with a capital letter.
Oh,
Ends with a period. Okay.
sorry.
Ends with a period, make sure. And you might need to okay, so some of the things we have is, I think it's gonna be gold. What do you mean, Elias? I think it's gonna, the shirt, okay. I think, okay, that is what it is, and the color is cool. No answer to Shayla. You guys aren't gonna get credit. If you don't do good answers, you're not getting credit for this. And also, when you write a sentence, don't put IDK, okay? You need to write down, this isn't a text message. This is a schoolwork, and you don't use text message acronyms so I don't know what color means. So, color means, what does it look like? The color of it. Yes, I think it can be subjective, because I can add
Color now.
yes, I think it can be subjective because we can add it to our feelings. I like that. Thank you so much, Raquel. Because color does reflect our feelings as well. Thank you. Okay, Kira didn't do anything. It's not subjective. Theron, what do you mean that it's not subjective to you?
I don't know.
Okay. To me, I see it as a matter of opinion. Yeah, true. Yeah, it's a matter of opinion. I think it's being subjective, okay. Okay, when you're saying I in the middle of a sentence, it's also a capital letter too, okay? And always don't forget to put the period. You should always put a period on end. The color of somebody's jacket, it looks green, but some people might think it's green gold and it's subjective. That's a really good point, Jace. I'm glad you wrote that. Okay, subjective means that people make an opinion. So, okay, but what color is? Is it subjective? Dizoni? Yeah. Remember, beginning of the sentence is an S, at the end is a period. When we agree that it's blue or purple, okay. Oh. Okay, I think it's going to be pink or black. Okay, blue is sky. Yep. Physical objects and light sources qualities with visual experiences represent objects of having. Tyson, I think you used Google there, but yeah. I think it's going to be gold. Okay, we're talking about your opinion of color. I was just using the jacket as an example. That is what it is, and the color is cool color, and that's why we have color. Okay, it is an opinion because color is subjective. I think colors are life's beauty. I do too. Thank you. I don't know what color means. Okay, color. Okay, color is what, like red, yellow, blue. Okay, that's what color is. Color is red, yellow, blue, orange, green. Okay. Yes, I think it can be subjective because we can add it to our feelings. Yep, we already did. Okay. All right, so we're going to go next. Oops, how do I get out of this now? Okay, close. Okay. All right, so how many primary? We talked about primary colors. How many primary colors are there? Think about it. Remember, we did that worksheet. We did some painting, the color wheel. Okay. Yes. Are there 3 or are there 5 colors? Okay, why are you on it? On the assignment. Okay, how many colors are on the color wheel? Pick out one. I'll pick one. How many colors are on the color wheel. Remember we did the color wheel earlier? How many colors are there?
No, 5.
5,000.
Primary
3 of them.
colors, primary colors. Primary are the first colors that you start out with.
There's 3.
Yes, you're right. Okay, thumbs up if you're done, thumbs down if you need more time. Okay, all right, so, what do you think the answer is, class?
3.
3, correct.
Got 5.
Give me yellow.
Okay, now you're gonna explore light, how light enters and exits the prism, and how different colors behave. Okay.
I'm gonna shrink it.
It says click here to open the web page.
Open the webpage.
Clicking. It
Oh,
won't open.
well,
Oh
okay.
my gosh.
I should have done this before.
Yay.
The virus in the computer.
Oh, well, we'll give this a miss because I haven't had a chance. It worked when I was.
Oh, I see. Oh my god.
Okay, we'll do that later. Okay, think cashier. Okay, this is a prism. Okay,
You are a prison.
now, it is made of glass, a crystal glass. That is very fine and is heated up and created into a
Rainbow.
bar, okay? Now, when light passes through the glass prism, different colors will make it show up.
See?
Why do you think light passing through a flat glass window not become a rainbow on the other side? Okay, why doesn't light coming through the window over there, why isn't it creating a rainbow right now?
Because it's not a prism.
Okay, yeah, you guys discuss it with each other. Well, and whereas if light is passed through this, it will become a rainbow. Come on, you guys, discuss it. Come on, why do you suppose, how many of you ever seen a glass of water and then light shines it, you can see a rainbow?
Me!
Yeah. Why do you suppose that creates a rainbow and not just a glass window?
Then you said, well, I'll do that one. You see that one with the rainbow colors?
Why do you suppose that's the case?
I'll do that.
Why do you suppose?
What?
Oh, you don't need to write it down, we're just talking. Yeah. Why do you suppose? Now think about it. Is that window very thick?
No.
No. Is a glass of water, is there density? Density is how close atoms are together. Yes. So do you think this glass is dense because it's really thick and heavy? Okay. All right, we're gonna learn more about that. Okay, which color of light has the longest wavelength and which one is the shortest wavelength? Let's first go outside and do this, okay?
What?
All right, we're gonna go outside and check this out.